Hear nature's wildest performance yet. Discover the astonishing African lyrebird, famed for mimicking chainsaws and camera shutters. So, imagine wandering through the forest and suddenly, a bird perfectly imitates human-made chaos. Known as nature's sound recorders, these birds astound with their audio wizardry. Through whimsical animation, watch as their mimicry transforms a serene woodland into a symphony of surprise. Yet, it's not just amusing, it's mysteriously captivating. How do they do it? The climactic revelation. These birds preserve tales of their surroundings, one sound at a time. Astonishment awaits as the lyrebird impresses beyond words.